Hey guys, I knew that was coming. Sarah here. Welcome back to mine and Josie's channel. Oh, come say hi. Okay. Okay, stop trying to barrel through everything, ma'am. Okay, so today we're going to be opening up our Ipsy Glambag Ultimate. Ma'am, do you have anything else to say? Have a seat. Okay. Stop. This box is $50 a month. You get to pick one item out of this box. I do remember the one item I picked for this box. That's like a new thing for Ipsy. You get to pick one item from for all your subscriptions that you have. If I like this box, I'll continue it. I just wanted to try it out to see if it was worth $50. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see what's in here. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box to see whether we're getting a good deal or not. The card in here should have the values of everything listed, so I should be able to tell you what everything is priced at. I think you get 10 items in here. I can't remember the exact amount. I should have done better research, but I didn't. Okay, so the theme for this month is Flaunt It. Here's the card right there. It's got everything in here. Oh, it does not have the values of everything. So I will find those out and put those down below if you do care. Let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, so it is 10 items in here. Okay. So let's see. The theme this month is Betty Boop. Not theme, but they have like a Betty Boop collaboration. I'm not into Betty Boop. Here's Betty Boop. It's just like this on the front and then that on the back. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I am pulling out is from F.A.R.A.H. This is the Be Beautiful BU brushes. So there's 3 of them in there. I'll go ahead and take them out of the packaging so we can see what they are. Oh, these are kind of cute. Oh, are you interested in this, sir? Do you want to do your makeup? He's into it. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's going to show on camera, but they're kind of blue or purple on the end there. Oh, there we go. So you can kind of see that in the lighting. So we have a cheek like blush brush. I don't think I'd use this for blush. Maybe. This one is a stippling brush right here. And then just a straight brush. So there they are. They do feel better quality than the F.A.R.A.H. brushes that we normally get in Ipsy. Normally they're like real cheap, light plastic. So these feel nice and heavy. So I definitely will use these. So the next thing I have is from Murad, which is cruelty-free. This is Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Exfoliates to reveal smoother, younger looking skin. I do enjoy Murad products. This feels quite large. So let me go ahead and see what this looks like. I know. Okay, so this is like huge. There it is. I'm excited to give this a try. I really like Murad products and this is a really, really good size. So excited to have that. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Raine, which is a brand I've never tried. It does say they are cruelty-free. This is an eyeshadow. Here's the packaging right there. It's really pretty. Looks like mine's in the shade Glamour. Okay, so there it is. I mean, maybe this is full size. I guess it probably is full size. It's just like a champagne sort of color. I'm not going to use this. I just don't use eyeshadow singles, so I'm not going to waste my time swatching it. I'll just go ahead and give this to a friend or throw it into a giveaway. My giveaway box is getting pretty full, so I'll probably do a giveaway soon, and this will probably be in it. The next thing I have is from Tristique, which is cruelty-free. This is the Good Vibes Mascara. Oh, we got this before. What did I get this in? A BoxyCharm? Okay, sorry, I'll explain my disappointment here in a second. So, it's like this mascara, right? And it's huge. It's got like this little, right there. So this is a curler. And I just don't It just seems so small. I'm gonna pull out a regular eyelash curler. Like, how small is this? Let me get it back around. I just don't think all my eyelashes would fit in there. It's just weird. I think it's super, super wasteful. Like, why would you just keep buying mascara that has an eyelash curler? I don't know. To me, it's just wasteful and not necessary. Just buy an eyelash curler that you can use forever. It is, I guess, would be good for traveling, but how much room does an eyelash curler take up? So I'm not into this. This will probably just go into a giveaway. The color is probably black. Icelandic black. Okay, so the next thing I have is from the Ipsy Betty Boop collection. Let's see. I'll show you the packaging. There's the packaging. I mean, it's very Betty Boop, I guess. So here's what the actual box looks like. Just got Betty Boop. Here's the shades. The shades actually look pretty nice. Yeah, so this is cruelty free. This is made by Ipsy. I'll go ahead and swatch it just because I do enjoy blush. It's probably one of my favorite makeup items. Two of them have like shimmer. So I'll show you the matte first. It's a matte. Oh, has like no payoff. You can't even see it. I don't even know if you can see that. Okay, you can maybe see the last one. This is actually a lipstick swatch I tried to wipe off. They have very little pigmentation, which, I don't know. Just overall, like, oops, I just dug my nail into it. Whoops. Like, overall first impressions is I don't think this is quality. Not very good. So, that's how I feel about a finger swatch. It could be totally different on the face. Okay, so the next thing I have are two face masks from the Serum. I believe they are cruelty-free if I remember correctly. I can't remember off the top of my head though, so I'll have to do some research again. One is a natural shea butter mask sheet. Instead of sheet mask, it's mask sheet. And then a natural avocado. Avocado's from Mexico. And the shea butter's from Africa. So one's moisturizing and one's protecting. So there they are. You know, I have like a crap ton of sheet masks right now. I have like a whole shoebox size storage thing full of them. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and throw these into a giveaway. I do enjoy a face mask. I just have way too many right now. So those will go into a giveaway. Alright, the next thing I have is from a brand I've never heard of. This is from Ibom. There it is. This is a lemon verbena clay mask. It does say it's made in Korea, so maybe it's like K-Beauty. I'm not going to use this. I just don't enjoy clay masks generally. They're very drying. I have dry skin, so it's just not something I need as far as my skincare needs. So I'll go ahead and just throw that into a giveaway. The next thing I have is from Sayest Moi. I think is how you say it. It does not say it's cruelty-free. It is, what is this? Okay, so, sorry, it's a Reflect lip gloss. There's the packaging. The packaging is really nice. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Oh, no. So it's like a shimmery sort of lip gloss. Again, something I'm not going to use. I'm not into, like, shimmer on my lips. So, not my thing. Again, I don't know if it's cruelty-free either, so I'll have to research that. I should mention that I did this box on my normal profile, so this should be stuff catered to me, and I don't feel like it is. Like, I have dry skin. Why would they give me a clay mask? Interesting. Okay. Let's see. The next thing I have is a Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. Again, never heard of this brand. It is cruelty-free. It's weird how there's, like, sample size stuff in here. Like, this seems like a sample size. This seems like a sample size. I don't know. I'm just curious as to what the heck's going on. Do I have more than 10 things? Maybe these are bonus? I don't know. Let's just go ahead and take the safety seal off. So it comes out like, I'm not sure if you can see it in my hand. So it's like a gel feeling almost. It has perfume to it, which I'm not like opposed to. It's not super strong, but I don't know if I need perfume in my primer. I'll give it a try. Okay, the next thing is from, again, a brand I've never heard of. Nanette Lepore. Beautiful Times is what it says. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a perfume. I don't know if they're cruelty free. So it's just like a sample size perfume. Beautiful Times, what does that even mean? I guess I'll give it a spray. Oh, it's like vanilla. Like a vanilla musk sort of thing. I'm not huge into scents like that. Oh, it's strong. It's okay. If you like vanilla, you'd probably like it. I'm just not into scents like that. Okay. The next thing I have is from Obsidian by Kaleido Cosmetics. This is a brand I have heard of. I'm pretty sure they're cruelty free. Yes, there's... Oh yeah, I remember this now. Look at the little logo of the bunny butt. Super cute. Not logo, but like the cruelty free logo. So this is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. I'm not going to open up just because I don't want it to dry out. I'll probably just throw it into a giveaway. I have so many liquid eyeliners right now, and it's not my favorite sort of eyeliner. So I'll probably just go ahead and throw that into a giveaway. Okay, the next thing I have is from Biorace. This is the L.O.C.K, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Hydrating Treatment Serum. Again, K-Beauty. It's made in Korea. I assume K-Beauty. I don't know. It doesn't say anything about cruelty-free. It's just like a skin moisturizer sort of thing. I do like the packaging. But yeah, I don't know anything about this brand. Okay, the last thing I have is the one thing I picked, and it's actually much smaller than I thought it was going to be, and I'm actually kind of excited that it's small. So this is the Warm Brown Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. I wanted to get this because I've never tried an eyeshadow from Huda. I have tried her liquid lips. I'm kind of into like smaller palettes like this. I think it's just nice to have something small and not overwhelming. The colors look really nice. They look right up my alley. There's only one shimmer. Everything else is matte, it looks like. So I'll go ahead and swatch a couple shades out of here. They do feel like nice and buttery. So there's one. Not the biggest payoff. Oh, that gold is like really pretty. Love that. Go ahead and do this dark one. So it's okay. I'm going to do that one. I'm like the worst at swatching. So actually look pretty decent. They are a little patchy in some, the darker colors, but that metallic is like a copper. Super pretty. Definitely excited to try these out. They seem like they blend pretty nice just by doing finger swatches, which is good. They're actually not really that patchy once you start like blending them. So definitely want to play around with that some more. So that's everything I got in my Glambag Ultimate. And I think this may be my only Glambag Ultimate. I don't mind like getting a few unknown brands. Like that's kind of like the fun part about Ipsy is you get to try like makeup you've never heard of. But I only knew of like most of the brands in here I've not heard. Not most, but like about half, which just seems a little bit high. I also didn't feel like this was catered to me. Like normally with Ipsy you feel like this is something they picked for me based on like my responses and my reviews, and this just felt like a bunch of shit thrown in a box, if I'm being honest. I just didn't feel like the curated portion of it. I wasn't a fan of it. I don't know if it's worth $50. It probably is worth $50, but the amount of like indie brands and like just, which I don't mind indie brands, but I don't know. I just didn't like it. What did you guys think? I would love to know your thoughts as always. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.